Hi everybody, this is our Powermate 9.6 foot-pounds overhead valve 18-inch tilling width rear tine tiller. We've had this for a few years. This will be a cold start for it this year. We're going to get ready to till up my wife's garden, just mix the soil a lot. She's got a lot of leaves and everything we need to dig in. But I want to do a cold start. This is kind of a direct drive machine. When the tines start, they actually go as soon as you engage the tires, and we're going to go ahead and do that. I think first I need to turn on the fuel, put the choke on. There's a an on and off switch here, and then the pull start. So I'll get this set up on a tripod and we'll see what we can do. Okay, it's in start. The fuel is on. There's a throttle here. We'll go from turtle to rabbit. It's already in the rabbit mode. And I'm going to go from off to on here. And since I'm right up against the gate, I'm going to move it a little bit so when I pull, my arm doesn't hit the gate. Here we go. Gotta love it when that happens. So no priming bulb, but there's just a choke on there from Rich to start. So I'm going to see if I can get this to go into the garden.